Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Beats Fit Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter. And right here you should find this Add Bluetooth or other device. Click on it and then click on Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and press and hold this connectional button at the top until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. Now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And then click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!